In 2017, a mysterious object entered the solar system from outside and was seen accelerating as it moved farther away, yet it showed no signs of gas or dust. So what was this object? Was it being controlled, or was it simply a piece of space? Let's take a look together. In 2017, astronomers witnessed a truly unusual event for the first time in history. A mysterious object entered the solar system from outside. This was not an ordinary asteroid or a comet. The object was named Oumuamua. In the Hawaiian language, this name means the first messenger from afar. This name was not chosen randomly, because this object came from another star system. Why wasn't this object ordinary? First of all, its trajectory was very different. All objects in the solar system orbit the sun. Oumuamua did not orbit, it simply passed through and left. This clearly showed that it did not belong to the solar system. But the real mystery began after that. As Oumuamua moved away from the sun, it began to accelerate. Normally, this only happens when an object releases gas, emits dust, or forms a comet-like tail. But astronomers saw nothing. There was no gas trail, no dust, and no comet tail. From a scientific perspective, this is a very serious problem. So where did this acceleration come from? Scientists proposed several possibilities. One possibility was that the object was not made of ordinary ice, but of extremely volatile materials such as hydrogen or nitrogen. These substances could evaporate without leaving visible traces. However, the problem is that this explanation has not been fully proven. Another possibility is that Oumuamua had a very thin and flat shape. Sunlight itself could gently push it, causing acceleration. This is physically possible, but how such a shape could form naturally is still unclear. Could this object be artificial? There is a very important point here. Most scientists openly state there is no evidence that this object is artificial. In other words, science does not say this is alien technology. But at the same time, some well-known scientists, including Avi Loeb from Harvard University, say current explanations do not fully account for all of the object's properties. The artificial possibility cannot be completely ruled out. This means science does not claim the object was controlled, but it also cannot definitively reject that possibility. Where science stands today, the current scientific position is this. Oumuamua does not belong to the solar system. Its behavior does not match typical space objects. Several theories exist, but none provide a complete explanation. The object is now extremely far away, and observing it again is impossible. Final thought. Was this simply a strangely shaped rock from interstellar space? Or something entirely different that we do not yet understand? Or is it something they've kept hidden from us? The answer is still unknown.